Niguo gutigirira nyoni cia flamingo itinahuka iria-ini ria Naikuru, riu ruhonge rwa KWS runyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ni rwiraniire gutabanio mihango ya gutigirira iria riu ni riacokia riri wario.
Diversity of animals, birds and flora and fauna that can be found in this area, and that is the reason why this for us is very, very important.
Atongoria aria maratwarithia mubango uyu na mbere ni maugite hari bata wa guthaitira riri no thaka wa iria ria Naikuru oro hamwe na nyamu iria ikoragwo kuo, makiuga giko kiria kiingiraga iria-ini riu kumite tauni-ini ya Naikuru ni ugwati munene, makiuria nyitite miothe kunyitanira hari kugacirithia undu uyu.
There has been a challenge for many years, and for tourists who want to be here in Kenya for just 2 or 3 days, they would rather go to sites where they can easily connect. So in realization of that, the county government of Nakuru, working together with the national government and specifically the president, have been pushing for the establishment of the airstrip at Lanet to be converted to a commercial airstrip.
Muthenya wa umuthi Akenya othe ni mahetwo kanya ga kuingira ruri-ini ruru kwirorera nyamu hatari marihi. Gavana wa Naikuru Rick Kinyanjui akiheana ngari cia gukua agendi kuma tauni-ini ya Naikuru nginyanagia ruri-ini ruru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Wanjiku.